In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack, a handy feature for optimizing your communication and workflow. Whether you have colleagues in different time zones or simply want to send a message at a later time when you're away, this feature allows you to manage your communications effectively and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Slack application open. This can be either your desktop version or on your web browser. Scheduling messages works seamlessly on both platforms, making it versatile for everyone's needs. Once you're in Slack, navigate to the conversation where you want to schedule the message. This could be a DM with a specific person or within a public or private channel depending on who your intended audience is. Next, locate the message field where you would typically type your messages. Compose the message that you want to schedule. Take a moment to ensure your message is clear and concise because just like sending an instant message, you want to convey your points effectively without causing confusion later when you're not around to clarify. Now we're moving to the scheduling part. Once your message is ready, you'll notice a small downward-facing arrow right next to the send button. It often resembles a paper plane icon. Instead of pressing to send immediately, click on that arrow. A menu will appear with different scheduling options to choose from. You can pick from suggested times, such as later the same day or the following morning, or select a specific date and time that suits your needs perfectly. If none of the preset times match your requirements, easily customize when you want your message to go out by selecting the Custom Time option. Here, you'll be able to select the exact date and time. This flexibility is especially beneficial if you're working globally or collaborating with team members across different time zones. Once you select your desired time, confirm your choice. Your message is now scheduled to be sent automatically at the time you specified. Remember, you can always manage scheduled messages if you need to make changes. Go to the Scheduled view, accessible from the left sidebar under Drafts. From there, you can reschedule or even delete the messages if necessary, providing you full control at all times. By knowing how to schedule messages on Slack, you can maintain communication flow without being tied down, allowing you to focus on different tasks or even relax, knowing your messages will be sent at the perfect time. Utilize this feature anytime you want to ensure your messages are sent precisely when they need to be read. That wraps up today's guide on scheduling messages in Slack. I hope you found this helpful and are excited to make use of this efficient feature in your daily communications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.